that you're a material witness in federal custody and are entitled to certain rights. While these things are true, you don't.
Tell me you count money every day without directly saying it.
Give me cats. Just light, just gentle.
Every magician dreams of an audience like this, plays along everything he does. Bet he could even throw up a peace sign if you want.
It's such good, really good. These things are really good. Well, she made me feel.
Can you guys take this yoga pose that well? The reverse card has been used. Human is starting to copy the cat. Nap time can wait. Kitty knows that his human needs a companion right now. Totally pointless to go along, but well, as long as his mom's happy,